46 here. We're about to go.
We're about to get on the freeway.
Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're about to do a drift in Long Beach video today. We're here with my boy Miguel. Oh shit, I was playing, man.
The e-brake's not locking up right.
We're heading out to the tire shop. There's a little update video on the E46, the drift build. Look at this, guys. Got the SLR, no? SLR. Extra angle. Got customized fender right here. Customized hood for the heat. Ooh. What the fuck?
Alright, man, this video right here is dedicated to Casper the Ghost, the homeboy. He tells a lot of truth. You can see right through Chris and his bullshit. But I think he's confused because the E46 is mine. The E30 and the E46, the blue one, those are Chris. That's the dick. But yeah, since the last video and after the last track day, there was a lot of prep that went on. The video's gonna get demonetized because of the music in the background. But yeah, I went ahead and threw on the SLR Ultra Angle Kit with the SLR adjustable lollipops. Cleaned up all the seals, all the gaskets on the engine, trans, all around. There's no more oil leaks. The car sat in the driveway for 2 weeks now. There's nothing underneath it. Yeah, the suspension's pretty much tuned. It just needs an alignment after all the suspension work that I did. I don't know. What else is there to say?
Pretty much it.
This car goes to the track and back. There's 2 track days that Chris hasn't came out to film, but there hasn't been any prep since then. So the car's good. It'll probably be up for sale because now that it's finished.
Record it again.
Why?
Because instead of him standing here, está todo feo, y que stand right here, mira, ya todo.
I hear he did all the talking already, man. We're just doing an update video just to make sure that people know that his drift build is actually finished. What is there more to do?
Sorry, kick that shit.
I think the car runs, it drives. The next step would be to upgrade the engine, but I don't care about that. It's just a grassroots car. I have enough fun with it as it is. So I'm not looking to do an engine swap.
Look at that angle, bro. Look at that angle.
And it's not at full lock still.
It's not full lock. Oh shit.
It doesn't lock.
Now tell the people what you did right here so they can know, because a lot of people, you know.
So with the SLR kit, you get a lot of track width gain. Most people just cut their fender. I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to lose the whole fender and have it look like a fucking car that had the over fenders fall off. So I just cut out some. Not the cleanest look. One of those quarantine projects where my compressor at home can't power all my air tools, but I'll run that out at work one day. Have a cleaner look. And yeah, as far as this goes now.
Yeah, pretty much. I don't know if they saw when you did the interior. Let's show them.
You're a bit dirty. Wait, don't no.
I mean, it's not done. It's not done.
You can't show that because by the CDA it's not done.
I know it's not done, but
done.
you know, we're showing an update right here. This is an unfinished project that's being
done.
finished. Oh, that's
It's
done?
done. I haven't put it back in the car.
Yeah, okay. So they
It's one of those things that just sit at home.
Yeah, he just has the parts. It just hasn't installed them. But either way, they're done.
I mean, it's not a daily.
So you guys can see,
I mean, as far as what I
it's
want,
ready.
the
It's
car
ready.
is done.
It's ready to go.
For a grassroots drift car, there's nothing else that needs to be done. All the bushings, all the suspension work is done. Don't plan on painting it. I don't plan on doing anything more to the engine. Just keep it simple so that it can drive to the track and back every day. Well, not every day, but every time it goes out to the track.
See, Casper, so you should feel special. We're making a fucking video just for you, all right? So you don't talk shit that we don't finish a build. And this is his build, the drift build, number 4, episode 4.
If he's gonna talk, he has to talk about the Blue E46.
Yeah, talk about this one. I'll talk about those over there. It's still there. I haven't sold it. So I still have it. Okay, we gotta move the cars, but yeah. Man, boy, you crazy. So yeah, that's pretty much an update video on the drift build, which will be episode 4. This is done. This car is done. Take it to the drift track. So you guys have any questions on the SLR kit and things you gotta do, and you know, I heard some people have some trouble with the fitment, but as you guys can see, there's no problems right here. No problem with the fitment. What size are your wheels? 17 by what?
17 by 10.
17 by 10. Obviously he did a little bit of cutting on the fender, but you can make it fit. Look at that. Give you some angles. Yeah, pretty much this is it. As you guys know, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.